breakdown? Can I get a breakdown in the comment section? Say breakdown. Breakdown. Say breakdown. Breakdown. Let's. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Move from there. Yeah. And today, guys, we're here with Chronic Law, the lyrical genius. The man with more metaphor than most of dancehall artists. You understand? In there with Middle Day Crime. The one that dropped about 3 days ago. Just get a chance to react to it. So we're gonna jump straight to it and see what I go on. Because I say love boss. You don't know, see, you're the lyrical machine. You know what the thing go. Let's go! Yeah. What you step? Yeah, it's a joy if you see La Boss happy. I do them little dance and thing. Cause normally I say be a darkness. Like be a sadness. Like be a pain. So it's a joy if you see the boss and do them thing. I like it. Think about myself, G.
Ireland, clean like whistle gun, dirty but it listen.
Hey, me tell you now, that brother you know, in sick, you know, the man say, clean like whistle, gun dirty but it glisten. You know what that mean? Yo, what I'm just saying a while ago, I don't know how deep that is. It go enough on the head. I'm gonna tell you what I mean by that, brother. When him say clean like whistle, gun dirty but it glisten. So I say, yo, him clean like whistle. Him gun dirty but it glisten. So him gun what him have make enough dopey, so it dirty. So it feds all that and run that the serial number or the ballistics. Tell come back with enough crime. So it dirty, but it's still shiny, it's still clean, it's still glistening. You understand? Bombaclan. What you say?
Ireland,
yeah.
Clean like whistle gun, dirty but it glisten. Links big but me girl them pussy little. Me a push badness.
Links big but yo, I'm gonna be pausing so much in this reaction because Chronic Law have the most similes, the most metaphors, brother, the most of everything a Chronic Law have it, brother. No joke. Ireland,
clean like whistle gun, dirty but it glisten. Links big but me girl them pussy little. Me a push badness like say I sitting cripple. She see the line.
Me a push badness like say I something cripple. Which part you ever hear that? Me hear stop push badness and no uncat. Me hear all them little term there, but push badness like say something cripple. Remember say a person with a cripple in a wheelchair, you have the option to push them, you know. You can push them. Some of them have the thing now where them can move them chair by themselves. But the man I say, yo,
Links big but me girl them pussy little. Me a push badness like say I sitting cripple. She see the long clip and it tough up her nipple. Lord.
Bad man she love. She see the long clip and it tough up her nipple. Bad man she love. That turn her on. Me a breakdown. Can I get a breakdown in the comment section? Say breakdown. Say breakdown. Let's go.
Push badness like say I sitting cripple. She see the long clip and it tough up her nipple. Lord, no run joke, me no giggle. Me love see boy they don't love see girl jiggle when.
No, we not run joke with that. We love see boy dead and we love see girl a jiggle. Yeah.
Lord, no run joke, me no giggle. Me love see boy they don't love see girl jiggle. When them life a scratch me and miggle. When them life a scratch them, me scratch me and miggle. You know what that mean? Do you know what that mean? That means that him a gonna get paid for that. Him a gonna get paid for that killing there. God for them life a scratch them, him a come to take it. But he's a contract killer. So the person we a contract him have to pay him. Scratch him and miggle. When money a forward, they scratch. Them say when you and miggle scratch you, money a forward to you. Jesus Christ, I you to see. Me love see boy, they don't love see girl jiggle. When them life a scratch me and miggle. Yo, they the first. We do grind, miggle, deal. Tell it down, make a video for my play.
You hear the flow, man? You hear the flow that switch up in that instance. Or boom! Flow that switch up. Nigga, right, nigga, yeah. Yo!
Love see girl jiggle when them life a scratch me and miggle. Yo, they the first. We do crime, miggle, deal. Tell it down, make a video for me play.
We do crime, miggle, deal. Tell it down, make a video for me play. So him I got videotape him crime and play it back to himself and watch it. That is not a good idea, you know. Correct law. I'm not telling the lies, no. That is not a good idea. Because if you lost your phone or anything like that, brother.
We do crime, miggle, deal. Tell it down, make a video for me play. Yes, the Glock chip up on the screen. I'm a valley, we go on the place and we do crime, miggle, deal. Girl love me for me evil ways.
Girl love me for me evil ways. The chorus catchy. The chorus singable. You can sing miggle, middle, crime, miggle, deal. Yeah, and then the second part of the chorus, I say, oh, girl love him for him evil ways. Girl love bad.
We do crime, miggle, deal. Girl love me for me evil ways. She honey because she see some of the brave. Yeah, but fuck a girl pan enemy grave, yo.
Bumbo clot. You ever fuck a girl pan enemy grave? No, I have not. Me not fucking on no cemetery. Me not fucking on no cemetery. No, I will not do that. Me never do that. Me never do that.
She honey because she see some of the brave. Yeah, but fuck a girl pan enemy grave, yo. Can't fuck with the name of street. Me chain a freeze, me full of gun, me give me neighbor tree.
What I'm saying? I'm shooting again, me can't keep up.
Ways. She honey because she see some of the brave. Yeah, but fuck a girl pan enemy grave, yo. Can't fuck with the name of street. Me chain a freeze, me full of gun, me give me neighbor tree.
Man, say I'm full of gun and give me about 3. Like, yo, what's that? You good? No. I'm 3 things I fair forward for them. Full of gun. Nah, I miss that. 3 gun that. Quarter dozen. Easy way.
Can't fuck with the name of street. Me chain a freeze, me full of gun, me give me neighbor tree. Taking the badness, me no make no tailor do it. Going.
Taking the badness, me no make no tailor do it. Brother, you no hear the lyrics of the man as fit dog? You no hear them, bro? Me no know. When Chronicler I met him sang, me no know when, like, oh, them thing I come to him, brother, like, oh. One time you watch some video, and you see some little child genius where good at math, so good, it's like a human calculator. This is a human lyrical machine, brother, where just thump up them lyrics and I don't know how, brother. I don't know how.
Me chain a freeze, me full of gun, me give me neighbor tree. Taking the badness, me no make no tailor do it. Going in any garrison, and me no pay no fee.
So me can go walk in any bad man place because my name alone in the street govern me. You see me? Me go there anywhere me go. Yeah.
And someone do it. Them afraid of my dog, them if them not afraid of me.
Them afraid of me dog, them if them not afraid of me. So the people in my empire just as vicious as me, just as bad as me. So them have afraid of me dog, them if them not afraid of me. You know what I think of?
And someone do it. Them afraid of my dog, them if them not afraid of me. Be my TikTok neat. No wait till it cool, me say hot cup of tea. Me tied to rifle like it cooks 2 peas.
Him now wait till it cool. Him now wait. Listen to the part again.
And someone do it. Them afraid of my dog, them if them not afraid of me. Be my TikTok neat. No wait till it cool, me say hot cup of tea.
Him now wait till it cool. So our culture is, if you're a man of something, a man say, yo, don't do nothing yet. Don't retaliate yet. Just wait till him think everything good. They must say, yo, don't drink your milk. Don't drink your soup when it's hot. Drink it when it's cold. The man say, yo, no, me not depend that. Me like me hot cup of tea. No, if you diss me, no, me I kill you. No. Him now wait. Tell him I tell you.
Be my TikTok neat. No wait till it cool, me say hot cup of tea. Me tied to rifle like it cooks 2 peas. When you
man say me tied to rifle like them cooks 2 peas. Them always just say, yo, woman time man in a stew peas. You know, cause stew peas, they can put various amount of things in stew peas and you're not gonna know why not. So woman time and a stew peas. The man say, yo, him tied to rifle, him tied to him rifle, brother. Just like how them say woman tie man. Some man tie woman too, but him tied to him rifle, yeah.
no wait till it cool, me say hot cup of tea. Me tied to rifle like it cooks 2 peas. When you a pick war, watch how you choose beef. Mix killers from west with the east.
Watch your coordination. Say break down. Say break down. Break down.
TikTok neat. No wait till it cool, me say hot cup of tea. Me tied to rifle like it cooks 2 peas. When you a pick war, watch how you choose beef.
When you pick war, watch how you watch who you choose for war with. Watch how you choose beef.
Mix killers from west with the east. Make Henny and stress with ease. The thing loud, but we step discreet.
think loud, but we step discreet. We think loud, but we step discreet. We think loud. Everybody know about we. But when I do a crime, we do it discreetly. Yeah, you know so we can bust it.
Make Henny and stress with ease. The thing loud, but we step discreet. We don't miss, don't get mislead. Contract killer full of name like Leeds.
We don't miss, so don't get mislead. We don't miss, so do not get mislead. We enter we aim, we not miss, so don't make nobody mislead you. That's number one. Yeah? A man say contract killer, full of name like Leeds. Lead sheet, full of name. So the hit list long. So that means that them a contract killer, them a make them money. I didn't say that. Chronicle did. Don't blame me.
We don't miss, don't get mislead. Contract killer full of name like Leeds. Jet please, tell them we do grind, miggle, dear. Tell the dog make a video for my play. Yes, the Glock chip up on the scrape. I'm a valley, we go on the place and we do grind, miggle, dear.
Man, so the Glock chip up on the scrape.
For me evil ways. She honey because she see some of the brave. Yeah, but fuck a girl pan in me grave. Clean like whistle gun, dirty but it listen. Links big but me girl them pussy little. Me a push badness like say I sit and cripple. She see the long clip on it tough up her nipple. Lord, no run joke, me no giggle. Me love see boy they don't love see girl jiggle. When them life a scratch me and miggle.
The thing with Chronicle is, brother, the man do this so often, it make it look easy, brother. It make it look like it's a ABC book him a read, brother. Like, it's so easy to him. These lyrics, these metaphors, these similes are so easy to him. They them just forward, just like, boom, just like that. The man not kill up himself. The man doesn't do it easy, brother.
Yo, they the first. We do grind, miggle, deal. Tell the dog make a video for my play. Yes, the Glock chip up on the scrape. I'm a valley, we go on the place and we do grind, miggle, deal. Girl love me for me evil ways. She honey because she see some of the brave. Yeah, but fuck a girl pan in me grave, yo.
Bad your fuck. Labas, bad your fuck. No joke, brother. Labas wicked, bro. Labas sick, dog. Labas different, brother. Labas, bro. Brother, honestly, me not see no artist in this generation where bad like Labas when it come on to lyrics, bro. Me not see no artist. We know Cartel have whole heap of metaphors and similes just like him. But toe to toe, him up there with Cartel when it come on to lyrics and flow, bro. Like metaphors and bro. Labas is so consistent. Labas drop a song nearly every other day, bro. The man drop a song nearly every, and it's not even an EP or album the man a promote. The man just drop song just because he can. Brother. Bro, Labas just different, bro. Him different, brother. Like, yeah. One of the most consistent artists, brother, in recent times, dog. Yo, the man metaphor similes always just mess me up, dog. Like, yo, I'm not gonna start more, but yo, look at more, dog. I don't know what to do already. Peace.